Ovuddeko President Museveni yassa omukono ku tteeka eppya eryali lijjawo ebitongole ebyenjawulo nga kuno kwe kwali n'ekitongole ekibadde kivunaanyizibwa ku nguudo ekya Unra. Nabwe kityo olunaku olwaleero abadde akulira ekitongole kino Kagina awaddeyo obuyinza obw'ekitongole kino eri minisitule evunaanyizibwa ku by'entambula era ng'omukolo guno gubadde wano mu Kampala. Kagina kyokka akolokose gavumenti olw'okuwa ekitongole kyabadde akulembera obusente obutono okukola n'okuddaabiriza enguudo kyagambye nti kye kibadde kisinga okukosa ekitongole kye.
Initiatives were put in place for purposes of streamlining the organization, making it more efficient. By 2015, some things were not going very well. Though actually a lot of network had been paved, but in 2015 it was necessary for the organization to go through some more reforms. Not just on integrity. Integrity was a component of it, and it was a big one, but also on being more efficient, being more responsive to the public, making sure that there was value for money in the work that we were doing. And as I reflect over the years, I can confidently say that Unra has been run professionally. Has been operating professionally. We've had a few incidences of corruption. It's not totally eliminated, but those incidences were then dealt with through an investigation, prosecution, and many times termination. So the mechanisms were put in place to make sure that corruption was not hidden under the carpet or ignored. Yes.
Kyokka minisita omubeezi avunaanyizibwa ku by'enguudo Musa Ekyeru ono nga yakwasiddwa fayiro n'ebirala ebadde bikwata ku kitongole kino agumizza abakozi abadde bakola mu kitongole kya Unra ng'agamba nti emirimu gyabwe teri agenda gikwatako.
Has some challenges. So I wanted to thank you, Madam Allen, and your team for putting these resources that were identified and given to the sector by the government, particularly under the leadership of His Excellency the President. From 2006 to date, he has continued to be very strong on the road sector. It is now that the other day he said, I think there is need for us to rationalize, apart from this obvious rationalization that we are looking at, the rationalization of bringing back Unra, Road Fund, and the other agencies to their main body, the Minister of Works and Transport.
Musa Ekyeru era agumizza bannayuganda nti gavumenti wadde nga eggyewo ekitongole kya Unra yakugenda mu maaso n'okubakolera enguudo era nga nnyingi zisuubirwa okukolebwa n'okusinga bwe gubadde.
He says the rationalization of also making sure that we get other systems of transport effective, efficiently available, so that they can prolong the life of the roads, the lifespan of our roads. That's why you see so much focus going into the railway now. We did to put so much emphasis on the road sector. We put some little support on the water sector, although it's not really adequate by the because of the gift that we have of the water bodies. But we did not put enough attention on the railway. And because of that, the roads were paved very well. Their lifespan is very short because the goods that could have been moved by rail, which are very heavy, are all moved by the roads. And hence the emphasis of government is to say, yes, we shall continue to accomplish these projects of roads that are ongoing. We shall also continue to bring on board new, very strategic projects into interventions, but we will do it concurrently with the revival of the railway.
Welcome you all through my minister to this function where officially the